Hello kids, hope you all are doing well. In today's class, we are going to start Table Zone, a book of table. Introduction of the numbers. At the early time, the men felt the need for numbers. So kids, बहुत पुराने समय की बात है, जो उस टाइम के लोग थे उन्हें लगा कि उन्हें नंबर्स की ज़रूरत है. But at that time, he could understand how to keep a record of his things. पर उस समय पर वह सिर्फ यही जानते थे कि उन्हें अपनी चीज़ों का रिकॉर्ड कैसे रखना है. So he keeps a record of counting with the help of stones. तो वह कैसे अपना रिकॉर्ड रखते थे? स्टोन्स को काउंट कर करके. Then the early Egyptians used strokes to count. So kids, जो early Egyptians थे वो strokes का यूज करके काउंटिंग किया करते थे. While the Babylonians used some wedge-shaped symbols. और जो Babylonians थे वो यूज करते थे wedge-shaped symbols का. The numerals introduced by the Romans are still in use today. So, जो आज भी हम यूज में ला रहे हैं वो ऐसे नंबर्स हैं जो रोमन्स ने इंट्रोड्यूस किए थे. As you can see, this is the Roman numerals that are used today as well. The credit for introduction of zero goes to Indians. So kids, the number zero is introduced by us, the Indians. This was a very important invention as it helped man count beyond 9. So kids, ये जो invention थी that is very important because इसने हमें help किया था हम 9 से ज़्यादा आगे count कर सके इस चीज़ में. So kids, as you can see a picture of a man. Who is this? This is the inventor of zero. His name is Aryabhatta. Okay kids? Now we will count together up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, the next thing is numbers 1 to 10. Singing time. So kids, sing with me. Number 1, tickle your tum. Number 2, just say boo. Number 3, touch your knee. Number 4, touch the floor. Number 5, do a dive. Number 6, wriggle your hips. Number 7, jump to heaven. Number 8, stand up straight. Number 9, walk in a line. Number 10, do it all again. Knowing about the numbers. So kids, I'll read first numerals, number names, then Roman. 1, O-N-E 1. 1. 2, T-W-O 2. 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. 3. 4, F-O-U-R 4. 4. 5, F-I-V-E 5. 5. 6, S-I-X 6. 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. 8. 9, N-I-N-E 9. 9. 1 0 10, T-E-N 10. 10. 1 1 11, E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 11. 1 2 12, T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 12. 13, 13. THIRTEEN, 13. 13. 14, 14. FOURTEEN, 14. 14. 15, 15. FIFTEEN, 15. 15. 16, 16. SIXTEEN, 16. 16. 17, 17. SEVENTEEN, 17. 17. 18, 18. EIGHTEEN, 18. 18. 19, 19. NINETEEN, 19. 19. 20, 20. TWENTY, 20. 20. 21, 21. 21. 21. 22, 22. 22. 22. 23, 23. 23. 23. 24, 24. 24. 24. 25, 25. 25. 25. 26, 26. 26. 26. 27, 27. 27. 27. 28, 28. 28. 28. 29, 29. 29. 29. 30, 30. 30. 30. 31, 31. 31. 31. 32, 32. 32. 32. 33, 33. 33. 33. 34, 34. 34. 34. 35, 35. 35. 35. 36, 36. 36. 36. 37, 37. 37. 37. 38, 38. 38. 38. 39, 39. 39. 39. 40, 40. 40. 40. 41, 41. 41. 41. 42, 42. 42. 42. 43, 43. 43. 43. 44, 44. 44. 44. 45, 45. 45. 45. 46, 46. 46. 46. 47, 47. 47. 47. 48, 48. 48. 48. 49, 49. 49. 49. 50, 50. 50. 50. 51, 51. 51. 51. 52, 52. 52. 52. 53, 53. 53. 53. 54, 54. 54. 54. 55, 55. 55. 55. 56, 56. 56. 56. 57, 57. 57. 57. 58, 58. 58. 58. 59, 59. 59. 59. 60, 60. 60. 60. 61, 61. 61. 61. 62, 62. 62. 62. 63, 63. 63. 63. 64, 64. 64. 64. 65, 65. 65. 65. 66, 66. 66. 66. 67, 67. 67. 67. 68, 68. 68. 68. 69, 69. 69. 69. 70, 70. 70. 70. 71, 71. 71. 71. 72, 72, 72, 72, 73, 73, 73, 73, 74, 74, 74, 74, 75, 75, 75, 75, 76, 76, 76, 76, 77, 77, 77, 77, 78, 78, 78, 78, 79, 79, 79, 79, 80, 80, 80, 80, 81, 81, 81, 81, 82, 82, 82, 82, 83, 83, 83, 83, 84, 84, 84, 84, 85, 85, 85, 85, 86, 86, 86, 86, 87, 87, 87, 87, 88, 88, 88, 88, 89, 89, 89, 89, 90, 90, 90, 90, 91, 91, 91, 91, 92, 92, 92, 92, 93, 93, 93, 93, 94, 94, 94, 94, 95, 95, 95, 95, 96, 96, 96, 96, 97, 97, 97, 97, 98, 98, 98, 98, 99, 99, 99, 99, 100, 100, 100, 100. So kids, our next concept is kinds of numbers. First one is natural numbers. Numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are called natural numbers. The smallest natural number is 1. So kids, number जो कि स्टार्ट होते हैं 1 से लेकर आप 100 तक बोल लीजिए या उससे ज्यादा भी, ये जो सारे नंबर्स होते हैं इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? नेचुरल नंबर. जो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नेचुरल नंबर है वो 1 है. देन किड्स, होल नंबर. Natural numbers with 0 are called whole numbers. The smallest whole number is 0. Whole numbers, natural numbers with 0 are called whole numbers. The smallest whole number is 0. So kids, जैसे कि मैंने आपको नेचुरल नंबर्स के बारे में बताया, तो जब नेचुरल नंबर्स में हम 0 और ऐड कर देते हैं तो उन नंबर्स को हम होल नंबर्स कहते हैं. जो सबसे छोटा यानी कि सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट होल नंबर जो है वो है 0. नेक्स्ट वन, even numbers. Numbers that are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even numbers. So kids, even number वो नंबर होते हैं जो कि 2 से divisible हो, यानी कि 2 से divide हो सकते हो. यहाँ पर उसके कुछ examples भी दिए हैं. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so many others. These all are even numbers. Odd numbers. Numbers that are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. So kids, जैसे मैंने आपको even numbers के बारे में बताया, odd number उसका opposite होते हैं. Odd numbers वो होते हैं जो 2 से divisible नहीं होते हैं. तो उनके कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं, जैसे 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so many others. These all are odd numbers. Prime numbers. A number that is divisible only by 1 and itself is called prime number. It is not divisible by any other number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47 are prime numbers between 1 to 50. 2 is the only even prime number. So kids, प्राइम नंबर वो नंबर होते हैं जो सिर्फ 1 से डिविजिबल होते हैं या फिर खुद से डिविजिबल होते हैं, 1 और खुद से. It is not divisible by any other number. वो नंबर्स किसी और नंबर से डिविजिबल नहीं होते हैं. यहाँ पर कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स भी दिए हैं जो मैंने अभी रीड किए थे. ये सारे क्या है? प्राइम नंबर्स हैं 1 to 50 के बीच में. एंड 2 is only the even prime number. Okay kids? Next, composite numbers. All numbers greater than 1 that are not prime numbers are called composite numbers. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, etc. are composite numbers. So kids, composite number वो नंबर होते हैं जो 1 से बड़े हैं और वो क्या है? प्राइम नंबर्स नहीं हैं. जो प्राइम के अलावा नंबर्स बचते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? कंपोजिट नंबर्स. और इधर उनका एग्जाम्पल भी दिए हुए हैं जो कि मैंने अभी रीड किए थे. Fun time. A tiger wants to catch his prey, the deer, but the tiger do not know the path to reach the deer. Help the tiger to find the path by drawing a line through the numbers in correct order from 1 to 100. The path has been started for you. So kids, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर एक टाइगर है. उसे किसे पकड़ना है? डियर को पकड़ना है. तो टाइगर को पाथ मालूम नहीं है तो हमें उसकी हेल्प करनी है. कैसे हेल्प करेंगे? हम लोग काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे 1 to 100 तक. तो हमें स्टार्टिंग में कुछ पार्ट्स दिए हुए हैं, बाकी हमें खुद कंप्लीट करना है. तो किड्स, आप मेरे साथ स्टार्ट करिए ये करना. 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So kids, जो ये लायन था ना, ये इसके पास अब पहुंच चुका है. So kids, our next concept is counting number groups. Practice adding up the following number groups. You can use the number line for addition given at the bottom of the page. So kids, इसमें ये हमें बोल रहा है कि हमें नंबर ग्रुप्स को ऐड करना है और नंबर ग्रुप्स को ऐड करने के लिए हम नंबर लाइन का भी यूज कर सकते हैं. As you can see in the first one, there is already a short example is given. So we will look at this one. Groups of 2. 2. There are group of 2 mangoes. One group is here, another group is here, third one group is here. So add up in twos and count the number of mango. Can you keep on counting in twos? So kids, as you can see, there is a number line given from 0 to 6. So kids, as you can see, there is 0 to 2 makes one group, then 2 to 4 makes another group, then 4 to 6 makes third group. So we have got what answer? 6. So the answer is 6 here. Groups of 3. Add up in threes and count up the number of rats. Can you keep on counting in threes? So kids, as you can see, these are the groups of 3 rats. So how many groups are there? We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there and each group has 3 rats. So what is the answer? So we will add. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. Groups of 4. Count the number of animals, add up the legs of these animals in fours. So kids, as you can see, there are so many animals given. First one is a deer, next one is the elephant, this one is the lion and this one is the cat. Each has 4 legs. So kids, we need to count the number of legs of these animals. So this has 4 legs, this has also 4 legs, then this has also 4 legs, this has also 4 legs. So what we will do, kids? What we will do? 4 fours are 16. So the answer here is 16. Groups of 5. Count the number of hands. Add up the fingers in fives. Can you keep on counting in fives? So kids, as you can see, these are the pictures of hands. How many hands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hands. Each hand has 5 fingers. So 5 fingers. So what we will do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fives are 25. So the answer here is 25. So kids, the next concept is table of 2. First, reading way. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7 are 14. 2 8 are 16. 2 9 are 18. 2 10 are 20. Okay? Writing way. 2 multiply 1 gives 2. 2 multiply 2 equals to 4. 2 multiply 3 equals to 6. 2 multiply 4 equals to 8. 2 multiply 5 equals to 10. 2 multiply 6 equals to 12. 2 multiply 7 equals to 14. 2 multiply 8 equals to 16. 2 multiply 9 equals to 18. 2 multiply 10 equals to 20. Must be no. When you multiply a number by 2, you always get an even number. So kids, अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें एक even number मिलता है. So kids, this is the pair of hand gloves. A pair means 2 of a kind, like a pair of gloves. So kids, what is the meaning of pair? Pair means a group of 2. Okay? Double means 2 times something like a double book of mathematics. So kids, as you can see, there is a picture given of two books that are of mathematics. So here what they are referring? Double means 2 times. So what we need to remember? Double means 2 times. Is this clear? So kids, the next concept is table of 3. Reading way. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 3 are 9. 3 4 are 12. 3 5 are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7 are 21. 3 8 are 24. 3 9 are 27. 3 10 are 30. Writing way. 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3. 3 multiplied 2 equals to 6. 3 multiplied 3 equals to 9. 3 multiplied 4 equals to 12. 3 multiplied 5 equals to 15. 3 multiplied 6 equals to 18. 3 multiplied 7 equals to 21. 3 multiplied 8 equals to 24. 3 multiplied 9 equals to 27. 3 multiplied 10 equals to 30. Must be no. Tri is a prefix meaning 3. Triangle, tricolor. So kids, tri जो होता है वो एक प्रीफिक्स होता है. प्रीफिक्स मीन्स जो किसी वर्ड के आगे जुड़ता है. ट्राई का मतलब क्या होता है? 3. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ट्रायंगल. अनदर एग्जाम्पल tricolor. A number is a multiple of 3 if the sum of its digit is a multiple of 3. For example, 72 gives 7 plus 2 equals to 9. So kids, ये क्या कह रहा है यहाँ पर? हम समझते हैं. कोई भी नंबर 3 का मल्टीपल तभी होता है अगर उस नंबर में जो डिजिट्स है उनका अगर हम सम यानी कि ऐड प्लस करें तो हमें 3 का मल्टीपल मिले. जैसे यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल दिया है 7 2. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 gives 9. 9 जो होता है वो 3 के टेबल में आता है. तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि 72 जो मल्टीपल है 3 का. Now 9 is a multiple of 3, therefore 72 is also a multiple of 3. So I already explained this, right kids? A shape with 3 sides and 3 angles is called a triangle. जो शेप होती है अगर उसके 3 sides है और 3 angles है तो हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Triangle कहते हैं. So kids, this is a Indian flag that is called tricolor. Why it is called tricolor? It is written here. Our national flag has 3 colors. 1, 2, 3. 3 colors. Therefore, it is called the tricolor. Okay kids? That's why we called it a tricolor. Is this clear? Next concept is table of 4. Reading way. 4 1 are 4. 4 2 are 8. 4 3 are 12. 4 4 are 16. 4 5 are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 7 are 28. 4 8 are 32. 4 9 are 36. 4 10 are 40. Writing way. 4 multiply 1 equals to 4. 4 multiply 2 equals to 8. 4 multiply 3 equals to 12. 4 multiply 4 equals to 60. 4 multiply 5 equals to 20. 4 multiply 6 equals to 24. 4 multiply 7 equals to 28. 4 multiply 8 equals to 32. 4 multiply 9 equals to 36. 4 multiply 10 equals to 40. Must be no. The table of 4 always ends in an even number or 0. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So kids, इस सर्कल में ये लिखा है कि जो टेबल होता है 4 का वो हमेशा किसी इवन नंबर या फिर 0 से एंड होता है. For example, as you can see, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. A square has 4 sides. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. So kids, there is a question given. There are 8 cows in a field. Count and write the total legs of all the cows. So kids, as you can see, there are how many cows? We have shown only 4 cows. But how do we do this question? So, we all know that cow has 4 legs and there are how many cows? 8 cows. So, what we will do? We'll multiply. So, 4 for the legs into or multiply by 8 gives 32. So, the total legs of all cows are 32. Is this clear? So kids, the next concept is table of 5. Reading way. 5 1 are 5. 5 2 are 10. 5 3 are 15. 5 4 are 20. 5 5 are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 7 are 35. 5 8 are 40. 5 9 are 45. 5 10 are 50. Writing way. 5 multiply 1 equals to 5. 5 multiply 2 equals to 10. 5 multiply 3 equals to 15. 5 multiply 4 equals to 20. 5 multiply 5 equals to 25. 5 multiply 6 equals to 30. 5 multiply 7 equals to 35. 5 multiply 8 equals to 40. 5 multiply 9 equals to 45. 5 multiply 10 equals to 50. Must be no. Any number ending in 5 or 0 is a multiple of 5. So kids, here it is saying that अगर कोई भी नंबर होता है जिसके एंड में 5 और 0 आता है तो वो 5 का मल्टीपल होता है. A shape with 5 sides and 5 angles is called pentagon. So kids, as you can see the figure, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides and 5 angles. That figure is called pentagon. So kids, the next concept is table of 6. Reading way. 6 1 are 6. 6 2 are 12. 6 3 are 18. 6 4 are 24. 6 5 are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7 are 42. 6 8 are 48. 6 9 are 54. 6 10 are 60. Writing way. 6 multiply 1 equals to 6. 6 multiply 2 equals to 12. 6 multiply 3 equals to 18. 6 multiply 4 equals to 24. 6 multiply 5 equals to 30. 6 multiply 6 equals to 36. 6 multiply 7 equals to 42. 6 multiply 8 equals to 48. 6 multiply 9 equals to 54. 6 multiply 10 equals to 60. Must be? No. Any number which is a multiple of 2 and 3 is also a multiple of 6. So kids, ये यहाँ पर ये बोल रहे हैं कि अगर कोई भी नंबर होता है जो 2 और 3 दोनों का मल्टीपल है तो वो 6 का भी मल्टीपल होता है. ओके? A shape with 6 sides and 6 angles is called hexagon. So kids, as you can see, the picture or the shape has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the shape with 6 angles and 6 sides is called hexagon. So kids, the next concept is table of 7. Reading way. 7 1 are 7. 7 2 are 14. 7 3 are 21. 7 4 are 28. 7 5 are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7 are 49. 7 8 are 56. 7 9 are 63. 7 10s are 70. Writing way. 7 multiply 1 equals to 7. 7 multiply 2 equals to 14. 7 multiply 3 equals to 21. 7 multiply 4 equals to 28. 7 multiply 5 equals to 35. 7 multiply 6 equals to 42. 7 multiply 7 equals to 49. 7 multiply 8 equals to 56. 7 multiply 9 equals to 63. 7 multiply 10 equals to 70. Must be? No. A rainbow has 7 colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So kids, rainbow has 7 colors. It is written here. Fill in the blanks. 7 cross dash equals to 14. So 7 2s are 14. 7 6s are 42. 7 multiply dash equals to 56. 7 8s are 56. Dash multiply 5 equals to 35. 7 5s are 35. 7 multiply dash equals to 28. 7 4s are 28. Dash multiply 7 equals to 49. 7 7s are 49. 7 9s are 63. Dash multiply 3 equals to 21. 7 3s are 21. 7 multiply dash equals to 70. 7 10s are 70. So kids, the next concept is table of 8. Reading way. 8 1 are 8. 8 2 are 16. 8 3 are 24. 8 4 are 32. 8 5 are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 7 are 56. 8 8 are 64. 8 9 are 72. 8 10 are 80. Writing way. 8 multiply 1 equals to 8. 8 multiply 2 equals to 16. 8 multiply 3 equals to 24. 8 multiply 4 equals to 32. 8 multiply 5 equals to 40. 8 multiply 6 equals to 48. 8 multiply 7 equals to 56. 8 multiply 8 equals to 64. 8 multiply 9 equals to 72. 8 multiply 10 equals to 80. Must be no. If last two digit of a number is a multiple of 8, the number is a multiple of 8. So kids, ये यहाँ पर ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि अगर कोई भी नंबर दिया हुआ है, उसकी जो लास्ट टू डिजिट है अगर वो 8 का मल्टीपल है, तो वो जो पूरा नंबर होगा वो भी 8 का मल्टीपल होगा. Fill the following multiplication tables. 2 multiply 3, that gives 6. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. 2 9s are 18. 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20. 4 7s are 28. 4 9s are 36. 6 3s are 18. 6 5s are 30. 6 7s are 42. 6 9s are 54. 8 3s are 24. 8 5s are 40. 8 7s are 56. 8 9s are 72. 7 4s are 28. 7 2s are 14. 7 6s are 42. 7 8s are 56. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10. 5 6s are 30. 5 8s are 40. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 3 6s are 18. 3 8s are 24. So kids, the next concept is table of 9. Reading way. 9 1 are 9. 9 2 are 18. 9 3 are 27. 9 4 are 36. 9 5 are 45. 9 6 are 54. 9 7 are 63. 9 8 are 72. 9 9 are 81. 9 10 are 90. Writing way. 9 multiply 1 equals to 9. 9 multiply 2 equals to 18. 9 multiply 3 equals to 27. 9 multiply 4 equals to 36. 9 multiply 5 equals to 45. 9 multiply 6 equals to 54. 9 multiply 7 equals to 63. 9 multiply 8 equals to 72. 9 multiply 9 equals to 81. 9 multiply 10 equals to 90. Must be no. If the sum of digits of a number is multiple of 9, then the number is multiple of 9. So kids, अगर कोई नंबर है, अगर हम उस नंबर की डिजिट्स का सम करें और वो 9 का मल्टीपल निकले, तो वो जो नंबर होता है एज अ होल वो 9 का मल्टीपल होता है. So kids, in this question there is a puzzle given here, right? So in this we need to cross the 9's table, or you can fill it with some color. I'll cross it here. Okay. So choose and color the path of table of 9 and cross the number puzzle. So kids, in this question, as you can see, there is a puzzle given. So we need to cross out the 9's table here. So kids, as you can see, we have to in from here only. and we have to out from here only. So we have to make a path. Remember, we have to make a path. Okay, so I'll do it accordingly. First, put a cross here. Then 9 2s are 18. Then here. 9 3s are 27. Then here. 9 4s are 36. Here. 9 5 are 45. Then here. 9 6 are 54. So here. 9 7s are 63. So here. 9 8s are 72. So here. 9 9s are 81. So here. 9 10s are 90. So here. Yay! We came out. Yay! So kids, the next concept is table of 10. Reading way. 10 1 are 10. 10 2 are 20. 10 3 are 30. 10 4 are 40. 10 5 are 50. 10 6 are 60. 10 7 are 70. 10 8 are 80. 10 9 are 90. 10 10 are 100. Writing way. 10 multiply 1 equals to 10. 10 multiply 2 equals 20. 10 multiply 3 equals to 30. 10 multiply 4 equals to 40. 10 multiply 5 equals to 50. 10 multiply 6 equals to 60. 10 multiply 7 equals to 70. 10 multiply 8 equals to 80. 10 multiply 9 equals to 90. 10 multiply 10 equals to 100. Must be no. If a number ends in 0, it is a multiple of 10. So kids, अगर कोई number 0 से end करता है, तो वो 10 का multiple होता है. Fill the following number tables. 10 multiply, we need to count these ants, then multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 6. 10 multiply 6 gives 60. 10 multiply, how many dices are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 multiply 9 means 90. 90. 10 multiply, how many clocks? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 10 multiply 4 gives 40. 10 multiply, how many roses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 multiply 7 gives 70. 70. 10 multiply, how many squirrels? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 40. Must be no. First, you must revise. In 5 multiply 3 equals to 15. 5 is called multiplicand. This one is called multiplicand. 3 is called multiplier. 15 is called product. So kids, 1. First, you must revise. In 5 multiply 3 equals to 15. Here, 5 is called multiplicand, 3 is called multiplier, 15 is called the product. Second, write the missing number in the following equations. So, dash multiply 10 equals to 70. 7 multiply 10 gives 70. Dash multiply 4 equals to 32. 8 multiplied by 4 gives 32. Dash multiply 7 gives 42. 6 multiply 7 gives 42. 6 5s are 30. 10 3s are 30. 7 9s are 63. 7 multiply dash equals to 28. 7 multiply 4 equals to 28. 2 multiply dash equals to 10. 2 multiply 5 equals to 10. 8 multiply dash equals to 8. 8 ones are 8. Third, multiply the following. 6 2s are 12. 5 7s are 35. 3 9s are or 9 3s are 27. 8 5s are 40. Fourth, match the facts. So, in this question, we will match 45. So, is this 9 8s are 45? No. 9 5s are 45. So, we'll match with this. 40. Is 7 3s are 40? No. 8 5s are 40. So, we will match. 72. Is 7 3s are 72? No. Is 9 8s are 72? Yes. So we will match. Is 7 3s are 21? Yes. So we will match. So kids, the next concept is table of 11. Reading way. 11 1 are 11. 11 2 are 22. 11 3 are 33. 11 4 are 44. 11 5 are 55. 11 6 are 66. 11 7 are 77. 11 8 are 88. 11 9 are 99. 11 10 are 110. Writing way. 11 multiply 1 equals to 11. 11 multiply 2 equals to 22. 11 multiply 3 equals to 33. 11 multiply 4 equals to 44. 11 multiply 5 equals to 55. 11 multiply 6 equals to 66. 11 multiply 7 equals to 77. 11 multiply 8 equals to 88. 11 multiply 9 equals to 99. 11 multiply 10 equals to 110. Must be no. If you multiply any number from 1 to 9 by 11, the answer is 2 of that numbers side by side. So kids, अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को यानी कि 1 से लेकर 9 के बीच में किसी भी नंबर को 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें साइड में साइड बाय साइड वही नंबर मिलता है. Fill the correct numeral in the boxes. 11 4 are 44. 11 9 are 99. 11 5 are 55. 11 10 are 110. Fill in the boxes. So kids, we need to fill the blank boxes. 11 5s are 55. Dash multiply 8 equals to 88. 11 multiply 8 equals to 88. 11 multiply dash equals to 77. 11 multiply 7 equals to 77. 11 tens are 110. So kids, the next concept is table of 12. Reading way. 12 1 are 12. 12 2 are 24. 12 3 are 36. 12 4 are 48. 12 5 are 60. 12 6 are 72. 12 7 are 84. 12 8 are 96. 12 9 are 108. 12 10 are 120. Writing way. 12 multiply 1 equals to 12. 12 multiply 2 equals to 24. 12 multiply 3 equals to 36. 12 multiply 4 equals to 48. 12 multiply 5 equals to 60. 12 multiply 6 equals to 72. 12 multiply 7 equals to 84. 12 multiply 8 equals to 96. 12 multiply 9 equals to 108. 12 multiply 10 equals to 120. Must be no. A number is a multiple of 12 if it is a multiple of 6 and 4 also. So kids, ये हमें क्या बताना चाहते हैं कि कोई भी नंबर अगर 4 और 6 दोनों का मल्टीपल होता है तो वो 12 का भी मल्टीपल होता है. A number is a multiple of 12 if it is a multiple of 6 and 4 also. So kids, अगर कोई नंबर 4 और 6 दोनों का मल्टीपल होता है तो हम कह सकते हैं कि वो 12 का भी मल्टीपल है. Match the following columns. So kids, in this question we will match the columns. 12 10 are 120. 12 7 are 84. 12 5 are 60. 12 4 are 48. 12 9 are 108. 12 2s are 24. 12 6 are 72. So kids, the next concept is table of 13 and 14. Writing way. 13 multiply 1 equals to 13. 13 multiply 2 equals to 26. 13 multiply 3 equals to 39. 13 multiply 4 equals to 52. 13 multiply 5 equals to 65. 13 multiply 6 equals to 78. 13 multiply 7 equals to 91. 13 multiply 8 equals to 104. 13 multiply 9 equals to 117. 13 multiply 10 equals to 130. Writing way. 14 multiply 1 equals to 14. 14 multiply 2 equals to 28. 14 multiply 3 equals to 42. 14 multiply 4 equals to 56. 14 multiply 5 equals to 70. 14 multiply 6 equals to 84. 14 multiply 7 equals to 98. 14 multiply 8 equals to 112. 14 multiply 9 equals to 126. 14 multiply 10 equals to 140. Activity. Fill in the missing numbers. So kids, in this we need to fill the missing numbers. As you can see in the first one, there is given the 13 table. So first one is 13. Then what comes? 26. Then 13 3s are 39. So we will write here 39. Then what comes? 13 4s are 52. Already written. Then 13 5s are 65. Already written. Then 13 6s are 78. So we'll write here 78. Then 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. So what we'll write here? 117. 13 tens are 130. Then the table of 14. 14 ones are 14 already written. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42 already written. 14 fours are 56 already written. 14 fives are 70. So what we will write here? 70. 14 sixes are 84 already written here. 14 sevens are 98. So what we will write here? 98. 14 eights are 112. So we'll write here 112. Then 14 nines are 126. Already written here. And 14 tens are 140. So we'll write here 140. So kids, the next concept is table of 15 and 16. Writing way. 15 multiply 1 equals to 15. 15 multiply 2 equals to 30. 15 multiply 3 equals to 45. 15 multiply 4 equals to 60. 15 multiply 5 equals to 75. 15 multiply 6 equals to 90. 15 multiply 7 equals to 105. 15 multiply 8 equals to 120. 15 multiply 9 equals to 135. 15 multiply 10 equals to 150. Writing way of table 16. 16 multiply 1 equals to 16. 16 multiply 2 equals to 32. 16 multiply 3 equals to 48. 16 multiply 4 equals to 64. 16 multiply 5 equals to 80. 16 multiply 6 equals to 96. 16 multiply 7 equals to 112. 16 multiply 8 equals to 128. 16 multiply 9 equals to 144. 16 multiply 10 equals to 160. Activity. Fill in the missing numbers. So kids, as you can see, there are two boxes given here and we need to fill it. First, in this one, there is 15 table is given. So we have to fill the missing numbers, and here is 16 table is given. So we have to here also fill the missing numbers. Okay. So let's just start. So the first one is 15 ones are 50. 15 twos are 30. Already written here. 15 threes are 45. So we need to write here 45. 15 fours are 60. Already written here. 15 fives are 75. Already written here. Then 15 sixes are 90. So we'll write here 90. 15 sevens are 105. Already written here. 15 eights are 120. Already written here. 15 nines are 135. 15 tens are 150. Already given. Next one. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. Already written here. 16 threes are 48. So what we need to write here? 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. So what we'll write here? 80. 16 sixes are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. Already given. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. Already written here. So kids, the next concept is table of 17 and 18. Writing way of table 17. 17 multiply 1 equals to 17. 17 multiply 2 equals to 34. 17 multiply 3 equals to 51. 17 multiply 4 equals to 68. 17 multiply 5 equals to 85. 17 multiply 6 equals to 102. 17 multiply 7 equals to 119. 17 multiply 8 equals to 136. 17 multiply 9 equals to 153. 17 multiply 10 equals to 170. Writing way of table 18. 18 multiply 1 equals to 18. 18 multiply 2 equals to 36. 18 multiply 3 equals to 54. 18 multiply 4 equals to 72. 18 multiply 5 equals to 90. 18 multiply 6 equals to 108. 18 multiply 7 equals to 126. 18 multiply 8 equals to 144. 18 multiply 9 equals to 162. 18 multiply 10 equals to 180. Activity. Fill in the missing numbers. So kids, in this exercise, as you can see, there are two boxes given here. So in the first one, it is written 17 tables. So we need to fill the blank ones. And in the next one, there is written 18 table. So we need to fill again the blank boxes. Okay kids, let's start. 17 ones are 17. Already written here. 17 twos are 34. Already written here. 17 threes are 51. So we'll write here 51. 17 fours are 68. Already written here. 17 fives are 85. Already written here. 17 sixes are 102. So what we'll write here? 102. Means 102. 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 136. 136. 17 nines are 153. So already written here. 17 tens are 170. Is this much clear, kids? When 18 is table. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. Already given here. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. Already written here. 18 sixes are 108. 18 sevens are 126. Already written here. 18 eights are 144. Already written here. 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180. Already written here. So kids, the next concept is table of 19 and 20. Writing way of 19 table. 19 multiply 1 equals to 19. 19 multiply 2 equals to 38. 19 multiply 3 equals to 57. 19 multiply 4 equals to 76. 19 multiply 5 equals to 95. 19 multiply 6 equals to 114. 19 multiply 7 equals to 133. 19 multiply 8 equals to 152. 19 multiply 9 equals to 171. 19 multiply 10 equals to 190. So kids, this is the writing way of table 20. 20 multiply 1 equals to 20. 20 multiply 2 equals to 40. 20 multiply 3 equals to 60. 20 multiply 4 equals to 80. 20 multiply 5 equals to 100. 20 multiply 6 equals to 120. 20 multiply 7 equals to 140. 20 multiply 8 equals to 160. 20 multiply 9 equals to 180. 20 multiply 10 equals to 200. So kids, the next thing is activity. Fill in the missing numbers. So kids, in this exercise, as you can see, two boxes are given. First one is the table of 19. So we have to fill it with the 19 table. Then the next one is of table 20. So we have to fill it with 20 tables. Okay. So let's just begin. So kids, 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. Already given here. 19 fives are 95. Already given here. 19 sixes are 114. 140. 19 sevens are 133. Already given here. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. Already given here. 19 tens are 190. 20 ones are 20. Already given here. 22s are 40. 23s are 60. Already given here. 24s are 80. 25s are 100. Already given here. 26 are 120. 27s are 140. Already given here. 28s are 160. Already given here. 29s are 180. 20 tens are 200. Already given here. Fun time! First, which parrot eats which apple? Draw by lines. So kids, we need to draw apples here by drawing some lines also, and in that apple we need to write the answer. So kids, you can draw the lines and apple by yourself and write the answer in it. I'll help you with the answer part only. Okay kids, the coloring and the drawing part you can do it yourself. 7 multiply 4 gives 28. 4 multiply 9 gives 36. 7 multiply 3 gives 21. 6 multiply 9 gives 54. 8 multiply 3 gives 24. 5 multiply 3 equals to 15. So kids, as I already told you, you can do the drawing part by yourself. Second, which mango falls in which basket? Draw by lines. So kids, I'll help you in answer these questions. You can draw the basket by yourself and write the answer in that basket. Okay kids? So, 15 multiply 9 gives 135. 13 multiply 6 gives 78. 18 multiply 5 gives 90. 15 multiply 5 gives 75. 16 multiply 5 gives 80. 19 multiply 7 gives 133. 17 multiply 7 gives 119. So kids, the next concept is multiplication grid of 1 to 10. So kids, as you can see, there is a square given here. As you can see, there is on the corner there is a cross sign, means multiply sign. So let's just understand how this multiplication grid works. Okay, so as you can see in the corner, this one, you can see from 1 to 10 counting here. Then here also 1 to 10 counting here. So what we are doing in rest of the multiplication grid, we just multiplying this by this, then this by this. So do it with me. 1 multiply 1 gives 1, then 1 multiply 2 gives 2, 1 multiply 3 gives 3. That's how it works. 1 multiply 4 gives 4, 1 multiply 5 gives 5, 1 multiply 6 gives 6, 1 multiply 7 gives 7, 1 multiply 8 gives 8, 1 multiply 9 gives 9, 1 multiply 10 gives 10. Is this much clear, kids? Then we move ahead with 2. 2 multiply 1, 2. 2 multiply 2, 4. 2 multiply 3, 6. 2 multiply 4, 8. 2 multiply 5, 10. 2 multiply 6, 12. 2 multiply 7, 14. 2 multiply 8, 16. 2 multiply 9, 18. 2 multiply 10, 20. Done? 3. 3 multiply 1, 3. 3 multiply 2, 6. 3 multiply 3, 9. 3 multiply 4, 12. 3 multiply 5, 15. 3 multiply 6, 18. 3 multiply 7, 21. 3 multiply 8, 24. 3 multiply 9, 27. 3 multiply 10, 30. So kids, as you can see, there is the table given here that we have already learnt about. So this is how the multiplication grid works. So 4 multiply 1, 4. 4 multiply 2, 8. 4 multiply 3, 12. 4 multiply 4, 16. 4 multiply 5, 20. 4 multiply 6, 24. 4 multiply 7, 28. 4 multiply 8, 32. 4 multiply 9, 36. 4 multiply 10, 40. 5 multiply 1, 5. 5 multiply 2, 10. 5 multiply 3, 15. 5 multiply 4, 20. 5 multiply 5, 25. 5 multiply 6, 30. 5 multiply 7, 35. 5 multiply 8, 40. 5 multiply 9, 45. 5 multiply 10, 50. Done? So kids, the remaining ones you can do it with the help of your parents by verifying these with multiplying with these numbers. Okay kids? Next concept is multiplication grid of 11 to 20. So kids, as I already told you about multiplication grid of 1 to 10, similarly this one is also work, but here is something different. From 1 to 10 there is counting given, right? Then here is the different part comes. From 11 to 20 there is counting written. So let's just start. How do we count in this? Okay. 1 multiply 11, 11. 1 multiply 12, 12. 1 multiply 13, 13. 1 multiply 14, 14. 1 multiply 15, 15. 1 multiply 16, 16. 1 multiply 17, 17. 1 multiply 18, 18. 1 multiply 19, 19. 1 multiply 20 is 20. Then 2 multiply 11, 22. 2 multiply 12 is 24. 2 multiply 13 is 26. 2 multiply 14 is 28. 2 multiply 15 is 30. 2 multiply 16 is 32. 2 multiply 17 is 34. 2 multiply 18 is 36. 2 multiply 19 is 38. 2 multiply 20 is 40. Then this one. 3 multiply 11 is 33. 3 multiply 12 is 36. 3 multiply 13 is 39. 3 multiply 14 is 42. 3 multiply 15 is 45. 3 multiply 16 is 48. 3 multiply 17 is 51. 3 multiply 18 is 84. 3 multiply 19 is 57. 3 multiply 20 is 60. Then 4 multiply 11 is 44. 4 multiply 12 is 48. 4 multiply 13 is 52. 4 multiply 14 is 56. 4 multiply 15 is 60. 4 multiply 16 is 64. 4 multiply 17 is 68. 4 multiply 18 is 72. 4 multiply 19 is 76. 4 multiply 20 is 80. 5 multiply 11 is 55. 5 multiply 12 is 60. 5 multiply 13 is 65. 5 multiply 14 is 70. 5 multiply 15 is 75. 5 multiply 16 is 80. 5 multiply 17 is 85. 5 multiply 18 is 90. 5 multiply 19 is 95. 5 multiply 20 is 100. So kids, the remaining ones from 6 to 10 you can do with the help of your parents and verify the answers. Okay kids? So kids, the next concept is multiplication table of 1 by 4 times. So kids, here we count the table of 1 by 4 times. 1 by 4. This is how we read this. Okay? 1 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 4. 2 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. 3 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 3 by 4. 4 multiply 1 by 4 gives 1. 5 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. This is how we write. 6 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. 7 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 1 3 by 4. 8 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 2. 9 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 2 1 by 4. 18 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 2 1 by 2. Is this much clear kids? Then multiplication table of 1 by 2 times. 1 multiply 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 2 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 1. 3 multiply 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 4 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 2. 5 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 2 1 by 2. 6 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 3. 7 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 3 1 by 2. 8 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 4. 9 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 4 1 by 2. 10 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 5. Then multiplication table of 3 by 4 times. 1 multiply 3 by 4 equals to 3 by 4. 2 multiply 3 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. 3 multiply 3 by 4 equals to 2 1 by 4. 4 multiply 3 by 4 equals to 3. 5 multiply 3 by 4 equals to 3 by 4. 6 multiply 3 by 4 equals to 4 1 by 2. 7 multiply 3 by 4 equals to 5 1 by 4. 8 multiply 3 by 4 equals to 6. 9 multiply 3 by 4 equals to 6 3 by 4. 10 multiply 3 by 4 equals to 7 1 by 2. Is this much clear kids? Now some more. Multiplication table of 1 by 4 times. 1 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 4. 2 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 2 1 by 2. 3 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 3 by 4. 4 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 5. 5 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 6 1 by 4. 6 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 7 1 by 2. 7 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 8 3 by 4. 8 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 10. 9 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 11 1 by 4. 10 multiply 1 by 4 equals to 12 1 by 2. Multiplication table of 1 by 2 times. 1 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. 2 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 3. 3 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 4 1 by 2. 4 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 6. 5 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 7 1 by 2. 6 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 9. 7 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 10 1 by 2. 8 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 12. 9 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 13 1 by 2. 10 multiply 1 by 2 equals to 15. Multiplication table of 1 3 by 4 times. 1 multiply 1 3 by 4 equals to 1 3 by 4. 2 multiply 1 3 by 4 equals to 3 1 by 2. 3 multiply 1 3 by 4 equals to 5 1 by 4. 4 multiply 1 3 by 4 equals to 7. 5 multiply 1 3 by 4 equals to 8 3 by 4. 6 multiply 1 3 by 4 equals to 10 1 by 2. 7 multiply 1 3 by 4 equals to 12 1 by 4. 8 multiply 1 3 by 4 equals to 14. 9 multiply 1 3 by 4 equals to 15 3 by 4. 10 multiply 1 3 by 4 equals to 17 1 by 2. So kids, our next concept is length. So kids, आपने अपने घरों में देखा ही होगा कि कुछ चीजें रखी होती हैं. हमें अगर उनका कुछ साइज पता लगाना है या उसको मेजर करना है तो हम किस चीज में मेजर करते हैं और उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? लेंथ. सो किड्स, लेंथ को मेजर करने के लिए हम कुछ पैरामीटर्स का यूज करते हैं. सो किड्स, द पैरामीटर कैन बी सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, millimeter, kilometer. So kids, in today's concept, we'll learn about these parameters. Okay kids, so let's begin. As you can see, what is given here? This is the picture of a scale. So you have already seen 1 to 15. What is written here? Centimeter. So kids, this is the parameter that we use to measure the length. Then another parameter is inches. So kids, we will learn about the parameters only today. Okay. So 10 millimeters mm. Mm is the short name. Equals to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters cm equals to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeters dm equals to 1 meter. 10 meters m equals to 1 decameter. 10 decameters dam equals to 1 hectometer. 10 hectometers hm equals to 1 kilometer. So kids, you need to remember this all. This is very important. Okay kids? Now we will talk about कैपेसिटी. सो किड्स, आपने देखा होगा आपके घरों में जैसे बॉटल्स और ग्लासेस दिए होते हैं तो उसके अंदर हम क्या डालते हैं? कोई लिक्विड डालते हैं, राइट? तो उस लिक्विड को भी हम मेजर करते हैं. तो उस चीज को हम क्या कहते हैं? कैपेसिटी. तो कैपेसिटी किस किस तरीके की होती है? दैट कैन बी 1 लीटर, मिलीलीटर. So we'll learn or talk about this today. 10 millimeters ml equals to 1 centiliter. 10 centiliters cl equals to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters equals to 1 liter. 10 liters L equals to 1 decaliter. 10 decaliters DAL equals to 1 hectoliters. 10 hectoliters equals to 1 kiloliters. So kids, this one is also very important. You need to remember this all things. Okay kids? So kids, the next concept is weights. So kids, if we lift something, we say this one is heavy and another one is light. So how do we measure that? We measure these things, those things in weights. Weights are of different kinds. As you can see, 10 grams, 20 grams, 50 grams, 100 grams, 200 grams, 500 grams, 1 kg, 2 kgs, 5 kgs, 10 kgs, 20 kgs. These are all weights. So kids, as you can see, there is a table given here also, which is based on the weights. So we will more learn about weights from this table. 10 milligrams mg equals to 1 centigram. 10 centigrams Cg equals to 1 decagram. 10 decagrams Dg equals to 1 gram. 10 grams G equals to 1 decagram. 10 decagrams DOG equals to 1 hectogram. 10 hectograms HD equals to 1 kilogram. 10 kilograms Kg equals to 1 myrigram. 100 kilograms Kg equals to 1 quintal. 10 myrigrams MYG equals to 1 quintal. 10 quintal equals to 1 ton. Is this much clear, kids? So, kids, the next concept is days and months. First, we will talk about days. There are 7 days in a week. As we already know, we have 7 days in a week. 7 दिन होते हैं, right? We call the previous day yesterday. जो दिन बीत चुका है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Yesterday. We call the present day today. जो अभी चल रहा है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Today. We call the next day tomorrow. जो आने वाला कल है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Tomorrow. So kids, now we will learn about the name of the days of the week. Sunday. Ravivar is the first day of the week. First day of the week. पहला दिन. Monday यानी कि सोमवार is the second day of the week. Second day, दूसरा दिन. Tuesday यानी कि मंगलवार is the third day of the week. तीसरा दिन होता है. Wednesday यानी कि बुधवार is the fourth day of the week. Fourth day, चौथा दिन होता है. Thursday, गुरुवार is the fifth day of the week. पांचवा दिन होता है. Friday यानी कि शुक्रवार is the sixth day of the week. छठा दिन होता है वीक का. Saturday, शनिवार is the seventh day of the week. This is the seventh यानी कि सातवां दिन होता है. So kids, now we will talk about months. There are 12 months in a year. So kids, as you already know, there are 12 months. 12 महीने होते हैं एक साल में. So kids, we will learn about those name of the months and how many days the months consist. January consists 31 days. February consists 28 or 29 days. March contains 31 days. April consists 30 days. May consists 31 days. June consists 30 days. July consists 31 days. August consists 31 days. September consists 30 days. October consists 31 days. November consists 30 days. December consists 31 days. The month of February has 29 days in a leap year. How to find a leap year? So kids, what is this saying? February has 29 days in a leap year. यानी कि जो February होता है उसके 29 days कब होता है? जब leap year होता है. Leap year consists of how many days? 366 days. So how to find a leap year? Leap year कैसे find करते हैं? First, a year whose number is divisible by 4 is a leap year. Example, 1960, 1962, 1996, 2008, 2012, etc. So kids, ये यहाँ पर ये बताना चाह रहे हैं, अगर कोई हमें नंबर दिया है, कोई ईयर दिया हुआ है, अगर वो 4 से डिविजिबल है that is the leap year. Example भी दिया है कुछ 1960, 1962, 1996 and etc. Second, if the year ends in 00, example 2000, it is necessary to divide by 400. If there is no remainder, so it is a leap year. Then another condition is कि अगर कोई year हमें दे रखा है ends with 00, so we have to divide that year with 400. अगर कोई रिमाइंडर नहीं बचता है then तो हम कह सकते हैं वो ईयर भी क्या है, लीप ईयर है. तो हम दो कंडीशन से निकाल सकते हैं लीप ईयर, जो कि मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दी. ओके किड्स, नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट इज टाइम. सो किड्स, हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट द कोट टाइम इज मनी? I hope you have heard about it. So kids, we will learn about time. 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. 24 hours equals to 1 day. 7 days equals to a week. 1 week. 15 days equals to 1 fortnight. 4 weeks equals to 1 month. 28, 29, 30 or 31 days equals to 1 month. 12 months equals to 1 year, or 365 days equals to 1 year. 366 days equals to 1 leap year. 1 year equals to anniversary. 10 years equals to decade. What we call 10 years? A decade. 25 years is called silver jubilee. 50 years is called golden jubilee. 60 years is called diamond jubilee. 75 years equals to platinum jubilee. 100 years equals to 1 century. 1000 years equals to 1 millennium. So these are the names what we call when the days or year ends. Okay, now kids, we will learn about how to denote time. AM, ante-meridian, this is the full form, is used to denote the time from 12 midnight to 11:59 just before noon. So what does it say? AM यानी कि एंटी मेरिडियन हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? जब हम मिडनाइट, रात के 12 बजे से लेकर सुबह नून होने से पहले यानी कि 11:59 तक का टाइम डिनोट करना होता है, तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? AM. Is this clear? PM, post meridian, is used to denote the time from 12 noon to 11:59 just before midnight. हम PM कहाँ यूज करते हैं? 12 noon, दिन के 12 बजे से लेकर रात के 11:59 midnight होने से पहले 11:59 तक हम PM यूज करते हैं. Is this much clear, kids? Filling the time. So kids, in this we will learn about how to fill the time or how to see the time. This is the clock here. You can see short hand is on 5, long hand is on 12. That is called 5 o'clock. That's how we write 5 o'clock. This is short hand is on 3 and long hand is on 9. That is called quarter to 2. That's how it is written, 2:45. Then short hand is on 7, long hand is on 2. So that's called 10 minutes past 7. 7 बजकर 10 मिनट. Then short hand is on 3, long hand is on 6. That is called half past 3. 3 बज के आधा घंटा, 3:30. Clear? Then short hand is on 6 and long hand is on 3. That is called quarter past 6. 6:15, 6 बज के 15 मिनट. Then short hand is on 5, long hand is on 11. That is called 5 minutes to 5, 4:55. 4:55. 8 o'clock. As you can see, short hand is on 8, long hand is on 12. Then it is also called 8. 8 बज गए. Then as you can see, short hand is on 7, long hand is on 9. That is called 6:45. 6:45. 6:45. So kids, the next concept is shapes. So kids, आपने अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीजें देखी होंगी. सब चीजें बहुत तरीके की शेप्स की होती है. तो आज हम उन्हीं शेप्स की नेम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज सर्कल. CIRCLE, circle. Next one is square. SQUARE, square. This one is RECTANGLE, rectangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. This one is CONE, cone. Then this one is CUBE, cube. This one is CUBOID, cuboid. This one is PRISM, prism. This one is HEXAGON, hexagon. Then some more. PENTAGON, pentagon. Then this one is CYLINDER, cylinder. So kids, the next concept is the Indian currency. So kids, आप लोगों को सबको पता ही होगा हम कहाँ रहते हैं, इंडिया में. हर कंट्री की अपनी अलग करेंसी होती है. ऐसे ही इंडिया की करेंसी का नेम है रुपी. रुपी इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कॉइन्स एज वेल एज नोट्स. नोट्स की फॉर्म में भी है, कॉइन्स की फॉर्म में भी है. तो आज की क्लास में इस कॉन्सेप्ट में हम करेंसी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. सो कॉइन्स. कॉइन्स, फर्स्ट वन इज 1 rupee coin. Then next one is 2 rupees coin, as you can see in the picture already. Then this one is a 5 rupee coin. You can see in the picture. Then this one is a 10 rupee coin. Is this much clear, kids? Notes. Now we will talk about notes. So the first one is 1 rupee note. This one is not in use. So I don't think so you have seen it, but it exists. Then this one is a 2 rupee note. This one also exists earlier, but now not in use. This one is a 5 rupee note. This one is a 10 rupee note, as you can see in the picture. This one is a 20 rupee note. You can see in the picture. You have seen already this. This one is a 50 rupees note, as you can see in the picture. This one is a 100 rupee note. Then this one is a 200 rupee note. Then the last one is the 500 rupee note. You have already seen most of the notes and most of the coins also. Yes? So kids, I hope you understand these concepts and enjoy the learning with me. Thank you all.